Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to earn Marriott Bonvoy points. And it's really simple. So to earn points, you will just have to earn points on stays with credit cards and even spending. So it's just like a normal credit card where you actually just have to spend your money and basically you will earn points. So except you're just earning points to spend on hotels, but here it's more specifically, yeah, like on hotels, yeah, exactly what I said. So it's specifically made for hotels and flying and tours and activities. So if you're a person who travels a lot, you must get one of these. So to earn, you'll have to basically purchase $1 and you'll get 3 points for that. So 2 points per $1 on grocery stores, rideshare, select food deliveries, and streaming and internet cable and phone services. So you must have the Marriott Bonvoy credit card, of course. So there's also 1 point per $1 on all other purchases. So if you're purchasing a car worth 100,000, and of course that's pretty common sense, you'll get 1 point per $1. So meaning you'll have 100,000 points to spend on your hotels and vacation and stays. So other benefits will of course include 15 Elite Nights credit cards per calendar year. Silver Elite gets one Elite Night per post and no foreign transaction fees, which is really cool since you're traveling abroad. So there you go, guys. There are other fees right here for higher up versions of your Marriott Bonvoy, but we're only talking about the base version right here using the Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card, which is going to be your first credit card when you get it. So there you go, guys. That is how you earn Marriott Bonvoy points, and it's really simple.